Michelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a short review and show you what fits inside my Louis Vuitton bum bag. If you're new here, I post new travel and luxury videos every single week, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
This is my Louis Vuitton bum bag, which I got shortly after the release around March 2018. This bag is actually my most used because it is super functional and gives a sporty but also chic look. I will say though that the one thing that I find kind of annoying is that this part of the bag, the top of the zipper, always flips open, and I find myself needing to put it back down. Everything else though I love about the bag. It's the perfect everyday bag that keeps hands-free and also the perfect bag for travel since you can ensure your belongings are safe and secure. The bum bag is made of monogram canvas and natural cowhide leather, and also has gold-colored metallic pieces. It has a top handle, a D-ring, leather patch that is signed Louis Vuitton Paris, and two main pockets. One main compartment and one zip back pocket. The main compartment has a double zip closure, which makes it really easy to access things in this pocket, and the zip pocket is fairly large. I love how you can wear this piece in many different ways. You can wear it over the shoulder, as a crossbody positioned in the front, or as a crossbody positioned in the back. You can also wear it as a belt bag or fanny pack. Personally, I don't wear it as a fanny pack because the strap does not close small enough to fit my waist. So now that we know a little bit more about the Louis Vuitton bum bag, let's see what fits inside and what I usually carry around. As I mentioned, the main compartment is fairly large. The main compartment fits a long wallet. This one is the Louis Vuitton jean wallet, and there is a lot of space to spare. The bum bag can also fit a small pouch. This one is the mini pochette. And the last thing I'm going to put in the main compartment is my Louis Vuitton key pouch. The bum bag easily zips closed with these three things. In the back zip pocket, I usually keep my phone. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it fits perfectly into this spot. Here are a couple of shots of me wearing my bag when my bag is full.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment any questions below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!